In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload text files to Claude AI. Whether you're diving into data analytics or simply organizing your digital workspace, knowing how to efficiently manage text files with Claude AI can enhance your workflow. Let's delve into the straightforward process of getting your text file into the Claude AI system, interacting with it, and making the most of its rich capabilities. First and foremost, you'll want to open the Claude AI platform. So, fire up your computer and navigate to the Claude AI interface. You might be starting a fresh chat to analyze a new document, or perhaps you're revisiting an ongoing project in an existing chat. Either way, make sure you are in the right space to upload your file. Now, we move on to the key step: uploading your file. Look towards the message input area. You should notice a paperclip icon or an Attach a File button. This is your gateway to upload the text files, so click on it. The system will promptly open a window where you can browse through your folders. Carefully select the TXT file that you intend to work with. Claude AI supports files under 30 MB, so ensure your file meets this requirement before proceeding. Once you've selected your file, click the Upload button to transfer it into the system. After your file is uploaded, it's time to start interacting with it. Claude AI provides a robust platform for you to engage with your data dynamically. One popular way to begin is by prompting Claude with specific questions or commands that pertain to your text file. Perhaps you want a brief overview of the document. You can ask, "Summarize the key points from this document," and Claude will provide a concise synopsis. Maybe you need to organize your document better and wish to see all the titles or sections. Simply request, "List all the headings in this file," and Claude will outline them for you, making it easy to navigate through your text. Additionally, Claude AI is adept at pulling out specific information. Suppose your text covers a technical topic like machine learning. You can prompt Claude with, "Identify any references to machine learning in the text," and it will pinpoint those sections, allowing you to focus on the data that truly matters to you. In conclusion, mastering the art of uploading and interacting with text files in Claude AI can significantly elevate your productivity and data analysis capabilities. By following these clear steps, you can harness the full potential of Claude AI's interactive features, making your data management endeavors both effective and efficient. Feel free to explore and experiment further, adapting these basic instructions to suit your unique use cases and needs. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.